Self love, guys. Welcome back to another episode here on our channel. Today's a very special day. I've taken the day off work because I'm very sick. We've got another YouTube content creator from Korea, J World Travelers. I think J World Travelers is the name. We'll have to check back with that. But I'm picking him up, so he's here in Samoa, and he wants to have a look at the plantation. So we'll definitely hook up with him later on today, and then he's gonna stay with us for a night before he heads back. I think he's still traveling at the moment, so it's a good opportunity to share the Samoan way of life, and also a good bit of classic Samoan tourism and hospitality offered by yours truly. But another great news about today is that we've actually received one of our car parts. So I'll show you guys here. So this was from so this is the car parts that we were waiting on. One of them that was actually donated by my cousin Peter in Melbourne, Australia. So he was very kind enough to donate this part for my car. So really thankful and grateful for great family members like this that can help out, especially during my hard times. And especially we needed the farm car back and up and running. So all right, so this is one of the hoses on the other side, and we've got another hose on the other side here, right there. But we've also got some clips in there. It's taking a while. Got some clips as well so I'm actually gonna go drop these off. I'm gonna go drop these off at my mechanic, and then hopefully we've got another part coming in, the section control valve, which will probably arrive later on in the week. And then hopefully, fingers crossed, our car is back up and running. So we still haven't got the diesel pump yet, but if all goes well with the section control valve and the intercooler hose, then I guess there's no need for the diesel pump. But I think we'll see how we go with it. It'd be good to have it, it'll be good to have it as a spare part. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's content. We'll see you guys soon. Welcome back, guys. So I just finished dropping off the intercooler hose to my mechanic, and it's gonna go fuel up the car, and then we'll go pick up Jay from his accommodation, and then head home. So I am quite new to this, hosting tourists, I should say. And I think the most stressing thing for me is conveying that Samoan feeling, getting the person to have a true experience of the Samoan way of life. So I really hope it does come off today when we go around with them at the farm. And then we'll come back, prepare some food, and let you guys know on the progress. Alright, so just leaving the kids, just checking on them, leaving my parents' house now. I'm gonna head to pick up Jay now, and then we'll head to Kua. So the kids aren't at school today because they're a bit sick. I think the flu's going around again, so it's quite common this time of the year. And there's sun and then there's rain, and then too much change in the weather, brother. No need, thank you. It's alright, you can hold it in the back. Hop in. Alright guys, so we're finally here with Jay.
Hello.
We're gonna head off now to Gua, and yeah, we'll see you guys on the way. Alright guys, so we're on our way now to the farm with Jay.
Hello.
And we're gonna go have a look around the farm, so yeah. You enjoying it, Jay? Not excited about the dogs, huh? Yeah, that's why we got to do. Whack the dogs, you know? What's your step, Jay? Cause it's slippery. So that's about as they're planting the taro, and this is the taro we eat. So this here's a new plot, and that one over there is like 3 months now. The one over there. Alright guys, so we're just gonna head back home now. Just had a quick look around the plantation and the cattle farm, and yeah, just trying the slippery road because it was raining the past 2 days, so we don't want to slip here. Yeah. Did you enjoy it, Jay?
Yeah.
We're here now at home. Just had something to eat with Jay. Just gonna have a bit of a rest, and then probably cook food later on in the evening. Probably do a omo, and then eat tonight. But yeah, it's been a long day. Alright guys, accidentally slept, so I woke up and I think Jay was asleep, so I'm just coming to the store to get some food for today. We're gonna do chop suey and roast chicken, so I don't think we can find us the local chicken, so got some chicken from the store. Just trying to see if we can find some fish on sorry guys, some fish on the way. Hopefully we do, but it'd be nice to have some fish, but we'll see. But the menu now we've got is the chicken, roast chicken, sapsui mamui, and also the umu, which will have taro and luau. So nothing serious, but you know, just some of that island flavor, you know. Nice and sweet. seal one. Alright, so back in the kitchen. Gonna get the chicken onto the pan, onto the baking pan, and then gonna go throw it onto the umu. One time. 3, 4 to the chicken. Almost already on, but it's going to start on the sapasui mamue. So we're going to chop this up oven into the pot and then get started on sapasui. Switch up the sapasui a bit today. I'm going to add a bit of pak choy. So just because the meat are really fatty, so clean this up. And we'll add it to the chop suey. It's unconventional, but you know, it's always good to try new things. And I have seen some of the chop suey served in town, in a pier, also have pak choy in it. So I'm gonna try it out. So just added in the white parts of the cabbage first, because obviously this might take longer to cook. So we add it in now. So by the time the lamb is cooked, the white part will be cooked as well. And then now we'll throw in some other stuff, the rest of the cabbage with the chop suey. lepo lepo. Hey, he likes you. He likes you, huh? So, alright guys, we've just finished eating. Yeah, it was a really good day today, and really happy. Jay was happy with it. You know, it's quite new for me as well, because, you know, hosting another fellow YouTuber, you know, a possible tourist, you know, it's a really good experience for me. So I'm happy that he enjoyed his day today and got a taste of the Samoan life. I wish we had a pig though, it would have been nice, but I guess that's maybe for next time. So I think I'm gonna sign off now. Jay's leaving tomorrow at the 2 p.m. flight, so we're gonna take him to the airport. Uncle's gonna take him to the airport at 12 p.m. So yeah, returns to New Zealand and then back to South Korea. So hope you guys enjoyed today's content. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel, and yeah, we'll definitely see you guys on the next episode. Until then, stay safe, God bless, take care.